this video, I'm going to explain you the NASH, that is National Automated Clearing System, which is part of auto debit subscriptions. Okay, so using this feature, you can basically schedule the auto debit for transferring a specific amount from borrower's account or depositor's accounts to your account. Okay, so this is possible in Genome software. So I'm going to explain you quickly about this feature. Once you create a loan, you can search loan, and here you get auto debit option. Okay. Once you click here, now this shows active. So for demo purpose, I have created a few plans actually. So you can see one plan which I created, I have cancelled it, and the second plan I have created, it is active. Okay, and this plan works basically based on your scheduler. So this is your installment tracker, and according to installment tracker, whatever date is there, on that date a job will be triggered and automatic transactions will happen. Okay, so you can see for this 29th, that is for today, if I click on this specific plan, then I get to know the auto debit charge details. So this charging is done automatically, it is initiated. So as soon as transaction is completed, this record will be updated saying that it's a successful, and then whatever amount received automatically, that will be shown here. After this transaction is done successful, this record will get updated automatically. As soon as you will also see the records, the details of transactions with the reference ID automatically generated by the bank, it will be captured here, okay, in this section. So this will give you flexibility for automated collection system. Okay, and this is fully automated, so no need to make any manual entries or anything like that. In case your transaction is not successful or any issue in the transaction, you will get a report, that is status report due list, which will be emailed to your registered email ID on daily basis, so that you will get kind of information that these transactions are failed today. Okay, so at any time you can one important thing here, so let's say because of insufficient funds this transaction is failed. Okay, so you have flexibility here, charge auto debit. It means you can also trigger auto debit your own. So on one click you can transfer amount from your borrower's account to your account. Okay, this is possible because this is totally digital system, and this auto debit link will get generated, and this link will be given to borrower, and the borrower basically authorizes, provide all the details and authorizes. And once the authorization is done by the borrower bank, then this um, the subscription will be marked as active. Okay, and using this system, you can also create multiple subscriptions, and if there is a need to add a penalty, you can also charge that penalty. For example, if some transaction is delayed, there is likely any possibility that transaction will get delayed here because it's automated transaction system. But in case you want to add any penalties or fees, actually that will also be captured using this um, auto debit. All right, so this is very powerful system, and it is basically saves a lot of your manual effort. All right, so please take 15 days trial version of Genome software and consult our representatives who will give more information about this feature. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.